command line arguments in C language. As we know, every C program must have a main function. The program execution begins with main function. It contains all the instructions, tell the computer to carry out whatever the tasks. So the main function can also have arguments. We can pass arguments to main function. If you consider your Turbo C environment, a traditional C environment, Turbo C environment, nowadays people are working with online compilers or Dev C, C++, or those who are working in mobiles, people are using various apps. But if you consider a traditional C environment, a traditional C compiler, TC, Turbo C compiler, to compile any program we use the command Alt F9, and to execute the C program we use Control F9. After execution, you are supposed to give the input, and we use Alt F5 to get the output. So Alt F9, Control F9 and Alt F5, various commands we use. So we give input only after executing the program. At the time of execution, it will ask you, it will prompt you for the inputs. So we have arguments to the main function called command line arguments. When the program is executed, the command line arguments are used to pass information into the program. For example, if you are writing a program to append the data in two files, the file names are supplied when the program starts executing, rather than specifying it as constants. At the time of command prompt, once its execution at the command prompt, at the time of execution itself, you can give the inputs. That's what these are called command line arguments. So we have two built-in parameters. The parameters are received, the command line arguments, argc and argv. Argc holds the number of arguments on the command line, and the list is 1. It's an integer. Argc is a count, so it is an integer. The value for this argument is not entered by the user. The system determines it from arguments that user specifies when the program is executed. Argc, argument counter. Argv is a vector, an array of character pointers. Argv of 0 always points to the name of the program, as it's a command line arguments. At the command prompt, we are supposed to specify the name of the program as the first argument, and inputs. Argv of 1 points to the first argument, and argv of 2 points to second argument, and so on. And each command line argument must be separated by a space or tab. Look at the simple example here. Int main, int argc, comma, char star argv. When the program is executed in the command prompt, you need to specify string 1, string 2, and so on. Each and every one is treated as an argument. So what are the rules to be followed? Each and every command line argument must be in the form of string only. Look at the simple example, the first example. Int argc, comma, char star argv. Number of arguments argc, and name of the program is argv of 0. The argv of 0 is always name of the program. And the following sessions are the parameters. I is equal to 1, argv of 1, I is equal to 2, argv of 2, and so on. Look at that thing clearly. So what are the number of arguments? Look at the output. Number of arguments is 2, and the name of the program is a.out, and user entered string value number 1 is welcome. So a dot out is the name of the program, argv of 0, argv of 1 is welcome. Look at the program on the right hand side for addition of two numbers. So at command prompt, you are supposed to specify name of the program along with two inputs. Look at the output. The name of the program is a.out followed by 5 and 7. Look at the program. If argc not equal to 3, you are supposed to enter 3 arguments. So first one is always the name of the file and followed by the two numbers which you want to add. Here we have a program to copy one file content to another file using command line arguments. Copying the data of one file to another file. Look at the if condition. If argc not equal to 3, invalid number of arguments. The file is open, argv of 1. Argv of 0 is always the file name. Argv of 1 is your first input. You are opening in read mode. Argv of 2, that is your third parameter, is open in write mode. So we are copying the data from one file to another file. The source file is open in read mode and the destination file is open in write mode. So look at the while loop. F get C from fs. Fs is the first file. F put C, ch comma ft. So fs is a source file and ft is your target file. So vi is an editor, the screen oriented text editor created for Unix operating system. The file name is con.c. The first input file is sample.txt and the second file is result.txt. We are copying the data of sample.txt to result.txt. Look at the command cc. Cc is C compiler, the Unix command, Unix operating system command. cc followed by filename.c. Once an output file is created, we are supposed to specify the output file a.out sample.txt space result.txt. argv of 0 is your file name a.out. argv of 1 is sample.txt. argv of 2 is result.txt. The data from sample.txt is copied to result.txt. Once the copying is over, we are verifying by opening the file using vi. So these commands are meant for Unix operating system.